What is good, everyone? Eric Oakley here. The off season is upon us, and I am out there grinding. I'm working on my game. I'm working on my physical health with disc golf strong. Working on my mental side, where I'm kind of getting a nice change of pace and really enjoying the game of disc golf every time I throw a frisbee. It's just awesome. And to think about the last 4 to 5 years that I've been able to be out playing disc golf and travel and do all the things that I do, it's amazing. I've seen so much. I've been to Europe. I've been to so many awesome places to kind of just grow and enjoy my life. It's a really special thing. And a big part of that is dynamic discs and what they were able to do for me to kind of create these avenues to go and just pursue this dream and embrace it and go for it. It's been a really cool thing to grow with them and have that relationship that allows for just awesome things to happen. I can remember to this day when I got that first Lucid X Felon and I saw my name on it. As a kid, I always thought about having my own soccer shoe or seeing my name on the back of a jersey, and those were those things that I always wanted and I was always looking for. And I was able to see that come to fruition with the Lucid X Felon. It was amazing. And it was a testament to the hard work. It was a testament to how hard I had been grinding, and it's a part of me. I'm always striving for more. I'm always looking to be better. It's something that is a personal thing that I take, I take a lot of pride in that. And it's important, and I am only going to continue that going forward. So I've had a lot of long conversations with Jeremy Rusco, Eric McCabe, and Gabe Diaz-Serrano, and we've talked a lot about the future. We've talked about my goals, their goals. We've talked a lot about the things that we're trying to do and to feel out how we can make things work. And we've come together as a business decision that we think it's best that we explore new ground. So I will no longer be representing Dynamic Discs, but I cannot thank them enough for the amount of opportunities and the things they've done to kind of create, help create who I am and be a part of this amazing journey that I'm on. So all the people I've met at DD and all the people I've been able to interact with, it's been absolutely amazing. And I'm sure we will continue to do some stuff together going forward because that's what disc golf is all about. We really want to continue to grow the sport. The future is bright. I am so excited for the amazing opportunities that could come my way. I have opened up so many avenues and so many new doors to kind of see how things work out. And one thing stays true. It's you. It's the fans. It's my friends. It's my family. It's this amazing culture that we've built up. And I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. I wouldn't be the person I am. And I think that that's probably one of the most important things here is that I get to keep doing this. I get to pursue a lot of new things, and I get to do it with you and grow, and we get to grow together. And I think that's where all of this kind of ties in, of how amazing that this is going to be. I feel very lucky to have the support system I do, and thank you for always being there and helping make this what it is. So stay tuned to all of my socials. I think we're going to be doing a lot of really big things, not only through YouTube, but on Instagram, everywhere. So I really get to just be me and explore what that looks like. It's going to be an amazing ride, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Is that good?